we're taking the box off the tray again. I'm Jelle.
And I'm Patrick.
Together we are JP Adventures 19. Let's unwrap it! We are trying to position the frame onto the tray in a way that the bolts go through into the tray, and this is how we do it.
Fine adjustment.
Last adjustments. Here is what we're doing next. I'm spraying over the welds with zinc spray just to protect them so they don't rust. And Patrick is trying to drill a hole through here. I hope you can see it. So there's a hole, and we want to drill all the way through the frame so we can attach it to the tray and make it safer. But as you can see, he's having a lot of fun. Drilling upside down, Patrick.
It's fun.
Watch this. It is getting serious now. We measured the sides and drew a line in here. So Patrick's gonna grind along it, and then we'll attach it to the frame and draw in the windows and everything. Here we go. We put the first steel sheet in place and clamped it onto the frame, and this only took like a few hours and all our nerves, but now it's in place, and we'll start drawing around the edges of the window and the door, and then we'll cut it out. Going over the edges with the grinder to get rid of all the loose stuff of the metal, and then you will see if it fits, if we did a good job or a horrible job. How do you feel about it? First sheet is on, Patrick.
I'm glad it's on.
So we put some glue, Sikkaflex, onto the frame, and now we're clamping it on, and Patrick will weld the outsides. We'll show you. Welding on the first sheet. Woo! We cut off the bottom now. The last thing for today is we're welding on this sheet. We already started spot welding it. And then we call it a day because we have to pick apples again tomorrow. We're back. The next piece is a bit tricky, so we can't use a whole sheet and then just draw the lines onto them. So we will cut it in 3 pieces. The bottom part, this part, and then the top. Let's go. You ready, Patrick? Oh, he got the big one. And we are doing another session in the dark. It gets dark early, so it's really hard to work during daylight. But yeah, we want to get it done. And so you put another sheet on. Patrick's welding it on now. Yeah. We're done for today. Look at this.
It's only almost 11.
So tomorrow we'll put on this one, the last sheet of the side. It looks good. Everyone else is sleeping already, getting ready for some more picking tomorrow. I'm impressed. Patrick, this is awesome.
I'm cutting it.
Using the oxy today. Look at this. After using the oxy, we have to grind down the edges because they're not very pretty. I'll show you. We put on the last sheet of this side. Clamped it tight with like a million clamps. And we put some glue as well, and now Patrick's gonna weld it on so we can use the clamps for the next steel sheet. Off to the second side.
Are you being adventurous?
Oh yeah.
Alright, off you go. She's climbing up to the roof.
Woo.
Yeah.
Why am I up here, Patrick, huh?
She has to mark the sheet.
Patrick is up there and he's grinding off the edges with the big 9-inch grinder. And I'm spraying zinc spray on all the welds so they don't start rusting. We're taking the box off the tray again. Two forklifts in action. Here comes the tray. Woo! Flying box. Bye bye tray. The tray is going back next to the mock until we get the mock done and put back together everything. And now we can continue building the box. So the box is now standing pretty much on the ground and it's a lot easier to work on it. And we put another 2 supports in. This is the front of the box and Patrick's gonna weld it on now. Today we are working on the back of the box. Before we can actually glue and weld on the sheet, we had to weld these bars on, because this will be the support for the outdoor unit of the Aircon, because we're going for a split system.
And it's gonna be my pull-up bars.
Yeah.
Stress test of our Aircon mount.
Go Patrick. Woo! He's done a few already before. Come on. And of course we have to cut in the holes in the right position. So we drew these lines from the inside and then measured the height. So here's one square, here's the other one. Let's see how that goes. Let's cut these holes. Quick explanation of what we've done. So this is the back. These are the Aircon mounts, and we cut little holes in here as well because we will have tire mounts as well. So we need that space for like massive steel bars, and you'll see in another video. And now we're just welding the sheet on. And then another thing off the list, Patrick.
Finally.
Almost done. We are almost done with the outside of the box, and we'll give you a quick tour now. So this is the back, and we already have the 2 supports welded in for the Aircon or Patrick's pull-up bars. And then around here you can see all the cutouts for windows and hatches and the entrance door. Check it out!
And what did we do yesterday night?
Oh, that was a pain. So we actually cut and welded these supports in, and if you have a closer look, it was a 65 and a 25 degree angle. It was a bit tricky with that saw we have, and then we had to cut out a few centimeters for this bar. Yeah, but now they're welded in. They're really strong, and hopefully the whole frame will hold two spare tanks, two spare wheels. Yeah, it's a massive box. Nothing's gonna destroy it.